Welcome everyone to this new video from Abey Odysseys. In this road trip and sightseeing video, we first travel to Mamalakandam, the village on the hill valleys near Munnar, and then from there to the next special site of Munnar, that is AAnakulam. On the way from Bhudathangat, we travel on the road to Kuttampuzha along the banks of Periyar River. On my last trip through this road, it was in such a bad condition. However, this time it has been renovated and we had a smooth drive. From this place, we turn right towards the Mamalakandam route to travel towards Munnar through the jungle roads. As we travel from Kuttampuzha, before reaching Mamalakandam, we pass through few tribal colonies and concreted narrow forest roads. The best feature of this route is that we can legally travel through the forest paths during the daylight hours. Along with that, we get the opportunity to enjoy the forest and nature views on the route and also sight some big or small wildlife if we are lucky enough. At any time, travelers are advised not to get out from your vehicle during your journey. And if you get out near the streams on the route, for sure you can expect at least some leech bites. You may see many areas with small and big waterfalls and water streams on the roadside, depending on the season you're traveling through here. Let me say, the water you get here is so clear and so pure. Mamalakandam is renowned for its crystal clear water sources and pristine air quality. The rivers and streams that gracefully meander through the village not only sustain the locals, but also enhance the natural beauty of the area. The air in this place is refreshingly clean and invigorating, making it the perfect destination for the nature lovers. Mamalakandam is known for its frequent elephant sightings. As you drive along the forested roads, be sure to keep an eye out there for these magnificent creatures. Witnessing wild elephants in their natural habitat is an exhilarating and humbling experience that will undoubtedly enhance the memories of your trip. Although the elephant sightings are rare during the daytime, it is recommended that tourists travel with caution and in slow speed while traveling through this forest area, as the elephant population in this area is high. Mamalakandam is located around 32 kilometers from Kodamangalam in Ernakulam district. It is located with an average elevation of 1,200 meters above the sea level. The village became a known tourist attraction after some bloggers posted village government high school photo in the social media that has Elampasheri waterfall in the backdrop. On this trip, we passed by that beautiful and scenic view of that village school as well. While not a widely recognized tourist spot, Mamalakandam has to offer a lot to nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Another attraction is its specialty product Kannadi Paya, means the mirror mats. These are mats made of bamboo and palm leaves which have a shiny surface that reflects the light like a mirror. The villagers make them in traditional methods, and these mats are used for decoration as well as for religious and cultural functions. Now we have to travel up a big climb on this route, but the experience of the views of the forest and nature, the wild silence of the forest, and the sound of the chirping by the birds cannot be expressed in words. It is to be experienced at least once. The village has something to offer to adventure-loving tourists, with a range of activities like trekking, camping, and off-road drives. Also, bird watching and wildlife spotting. I remind every visitor to select your tour operator approved by the Forest Department and also tour plans as well. Remember, you're traveling on the forest areas where there are elephants and many other wild animals. So, it is advisable to ensure your safety while planning your trip to this place or any other forest regions. After about an hour of driving through the jungle roads, we reached to Mamalakandam village and then we headed to the school. This serene forest village school is surrounded by lush greenery and breathtaking landscape, offering a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city life. It can be said with certainty that the students who study here and have studied in this school are quite lucky, because they do their education in the midst of such an incomparable natural beauty. Visitors are welcomed round the year in this Mamalakandam area. However, it is advised to avoid travel to these areas during monsoons as the roads may not be navigable. October to March may give you a pleasant weather and serene atmosphere. A risk factor on this narrow jungle route is that while climbing or descending narrow paths like this, we need to be extra careful about the presence of wild elephants that may come across on the path. Now from here we are heading to the next attraction in Munnar, that is the place called AAnakulam. The unspoken feel of beauty and serenity together meet at a forest-locked village called AAnakulam. This place of aesthetic value is nearly 40 kilometers from Munnar, the paradise of God's own country. Elephants dally here in large social groups in human-inhabited areas, which is something unique about this scenic spot. Elephants comes to this particular place for drinking water as the water here has some kind of taste which attracts them. Although there are many such water outlets throughout in that area, elephants come only to this place.
മാങ്കുളം ആറിന്റെ കുറുകെയുള്ള പാലത്തേലാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത്.
Though this Anakulam is most famous for the elephant sights, on this day when we reached there was no elephants at all.
നമ്മൾ ആനക്കുളത്തേക്ക്
We waited for quite a long time, expecting the elephants to come to drink water from the stream in the evening.
നമ്മൾ ആനക്കുളത്തെത്തിയിട്ട് ഇവിടെ
However, we were unlucky and we had to leave unsuccessfully without sighting any elephants.
ആന വന്നാൽ കാണാം. ഇവിടെ കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ ഇവിടെയുള്ള കുട്ടികളാണ്, ഇവരിവിടെ പന്ത് കളിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
Hope you enjoyed the scenes of travel through Mamalakandam and Anakulam. And if you really enjoyed this video, please give a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and make your comments to the video.
പുല്ലിനകത്തോട് നടക്കാനാണെങ്കിലും തിന്നും. വേണമെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ ഇറങ്ങാം.
See you in the next video. Till then, this is Bijoy signing off. Thank you and bye.